the wall. Again. And more. Catch. Thẳng. Find the balance. Now try to touch your feet down. You have to thangchen and touch your forehead to the wall. Here. In the end, try to thangchen. Die here. Now slowly inhale, come up, and exhale. Get closer, touch it here. Then again, inhale up, change the leg, exhale. Closer, touch it here, straight. And see when you are here, push the hip down, and switch. Hello. More. Bend your elbow, press down. Now again, slowly tongue tie. Take your hands straight. Again, exhale, thosa, kêu tay xuống. Drop your elbow down. Get down, everyone. Okay, one more. Last. Inhale, come up. And exhale, thosa. Get your ankle cochin. Elbow down and stay there. 6, be there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale up, and I try to make it straight. Thangchen, leg straight. Again, head bow, inhale. Exhale, doichen, change leg. Exhale, thangchen, high, right leg straight. Again, inhale. Exhale. Try to change the leg, everyone. Make it straight. Left leg.